How to spam snaps on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can spam snaps on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to update your Snapchat to the latest version. For that, open up your App Store and search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, you'll find Snapchat, and if you see an update button instead of the open button, tap on update to update it. After you've updated it, you can then open it up. After you open it up, you will see your Snapchat. Now, what you need to do is tap on this drop down button right here. After you do that, there you will see an option that says multi-snap. So let me just select multi-snap. And after you do that, you will see the plus icon instead of a normal circle. Now all you need to do is start taking multiple snaps. So let me take some few. And after you've taken a few snaps, you can tap on edit and send. After you tap on edit and send, you can now send it to your friends. And that's basically how you spam snaps on your Snapchat. As you can see, there are a lot of snaps that I've just spammed my friend with. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.